Hello, we are the number one group. I am Jim Sible. My co-presenter is Michael Sanchez, and our other members are Joni Perez and Tyler Urban. We present to you our project, the Fabulous Baking Company website and content management suite. Our sponsor for this project was Dr. Pratibha Menon.
For our capstone project, we were given a prompt to help reduce food waste using computing solutions. With the challenges of COVID, we were not required to work with a real client, but we were encouraged to do so if we were able to find one. Our group brainstormed ideas on how to find such a client. Jim reached out to a former coworker, Stephen Wilhelmina, who is a longtime entrepreneur looking to create a brick and mortar store for his business, the Fabulous Baking Company. He asked him if we could meet with him to analyze his business requirements and see if we could design an application that would help him manage and grow his brand. Stephen agreed. Our initial design was to create a website with online ordering capabilities and an inventory management system to help monitor product usage and help prevent waste. Through our iterative design process, it was later decided that Stephen would not find the inventory management system as useful, and we instead developed a content management suite which would allow him to personally edit his website.
Our project was split into two main sections, the design and planning phase and the development phase. We spent the entirety of the fall semester planning and designing this project, including a design prototype and a working timeline for the suite to be completed. All team members agreed to hold weekly meetings, as accountability would be crucial to the success of our project. We used Discord as our primary communications channel and Git to keep our coding focused and organized. Throughout the planning process, we remained in constant communication with our client Stephen to ensure the final product met his demands and expectations. Following our development schedule, we were able to complete this working version of the website and back-end content management suite.
This is the landing page for the website. On the header, we have links to different areas of the website. The side bubbles also act as links to different sections. And on the left, we have links to the social media accounts. On the home section, we have the company's name, a greeting message, a couple of links to different sections of the website, and on the background, we have a few pictures of Stephen in action. The About Us section contains basic information about the company and Stephen's story, as well as a picture of the logo. Currently, it's just demo text for testing purposes. The menu section contains all the products available at the bakery. We have pricing for cakes, cupcakes, as well as all the flavors. Below that, we have the cookies with descriptions and pricing. And if the customer wants to order a custom cake, we left contact information. The following section contains the gallery that highlights some of the bakery's previous works. You can hover over the images to zoom them, and to see the full image, you would click it. If you want to navigate through the images, you would hit the next and previous buttons. Below that is the contact information that has all the different ways to contact the bakery, as well as a map with store hours. The next page is the order page. You would click up here and it will send you over to the order page. It contains the menu, and the customer would then log the different types of goods they would like to purchase, the flavors, the quantity. They'll click add to cart. Once in the cart, you can either remove the item or you can click order now and it'll send you over to Square to finalize your purchase.
This is the login page for the admin section of our website. The user will enter their email and password and then click login to proceed. If their credentials are incorrect, they may re-enter them or use the forgot password button to initiate a password recovery feature. Once login is successful, we're directed to the main admin portal. From this page, we have access to 6 different admin features: input sales, items sold reporting. We can update the menu price for items. We can add or remove a cookie, add or remove a cake flavor, and also update the images in the gallery section. This admin section was designed to allow the client to customize his web page on his own without needing any technical expertise. This is the sales input page. The user will select the date for which they wish to enter sales, and then enter the number of each item sold for that date. This design allows flexibility for Stephen to decide the frequency with which he will input these sales. Once his inputs are finished, the button at the bottom will add the sales to the database. This is the item sold report page. The user will first select the date range they wish to see data for, and then click Generate Report. A graphical representation of the items sold will be shown with the items and their quantities displayed below. If a mistake was made when entering sales, it can be fixed here by hovering over the line item and clicking the green button to edit, or the red button to remove completely. This is the Update Menu Pricing page. This page allows the user to update the price for cakes and cupcakes, as well as cookies. To update a price, you simply enter the desired price and click the appropriate button. To update a cookie price, select the cookie from the drop-down menu and then enter the price for that cookie. This is the Add or Remove Photo page. This page allows the user to add or remove photos from the gallery section of the website. To add a photo, simply click the Browse button and select from the File Explorer the photo you wish to add. Then click Add Photo. To remove a photo from the gallery, simply select the desired photo and click Remove Photo. Our last page is the Add and/or Remove Cake Flavor page. This allows the user to add new cake or cupcake flavors to the menu or remove an existing one. There is only one box for flavors, since all flavors may be ordered in either form, cake or cupcake. To add, type the new flavor and then click Add Flavor. To remove, just select the flavor from the menu and click Remove Flavor. Finally, the above header exists on every page and will allow the user to return to the main portal at any time, or to log out of the system when they are finished. This is the final iteration of our business solution for Stephen. Our hope is our project will be a useful tool for him to manage and grow his new business. Throughout the development cycle, we faced many challenges. Working with a real client showed us how difficult and demanding the design process can be in a real-world setting. Our final design was vastly different than our original plan, as we adapted to Stephen's evolving wants and needs. Working in a group setting also taught us much about the strategies used in team collaboration. Keeping to a schedule and being in constant communication are paramount to the success of any team. While our classwork prepared us well, other softwares and technologies were necessary to be learned to complete our project. The techniques we learned from the CIS program allowed us to learn and implement these new softwares, taking our package to the next level. Thank you to the CIS faculty, Dr. Kowalczyk, Dr. Boff, and Dr. Menon for your help and guidance during our college careers. A special thank you to Dr. Menon for her invaluable supervision throughout the entirety of our capstone project. Our final takeaway has taught us that this entire experience proves one of the oldest college adages to be true. Education is not just the learning of facts, but rather the training of the mind to think. Thank you very much for your time.